Quick question. What if you could unlock the power up 25 plus premium AI tools and run your entire content, video, image, and website business from one super dashboard? No monthly fees, no tech skill, no limits. Welcome to Ultimate AI Unlimited Edition, the most powerful all-in-one AI platform ever built that gives you the superpowers of the entire team at a one-time price. Right like ChatGPT, launch full-blown AI video podcast and babyface show design like Canva and Midjourney. Build sites like Wix and ClickFunnels. Create videos like Synthesia, InVideo and Premiere Pro. Clone voice like 11 Labs. Replace freelancers, subscriptions, and software chaos. Yep, all of it in one platform with unlimited access to every feature. Because let's be honest, AI is no longer a nice to have. It's the fuel behind every successful brand, agency, and freelancer outfit. But until now, you had two choices. Pay $500 to $1,000 a month, stacking 10 plus tools, or sacrifice features, quality, and control. Not anymore. With Ultimate AI Unlimited, you get it all without the needs. Use it for your brand or sell services to clients. Create unlimited video, images, content, website, podcasts, avatars, and more. Save $6,000 plus per year instant. No subscription, no upgrades, no bullshit. Keep 100% of the profits. This is your business, and it's stupid simple to use. Just pick what you want to create: a video, a podcast, an image, a blog, site. Click once and let AI do the heavy lifting. Use it yourself or sell it to clients, agencies, or brands. You're talking AI-powered avatars, faceless videos, 3D art, sales pages, ESL scripts, email campaigns, scroll-stopping reels, YouTube shorts, product videos, AI voice avatars in 100 plus languages, studio-quality AI podcasts and babyface show videos, drag-and-drop website builder with pre-hosting, 75 plus AI agents and workflows for writing, editing, search engine optimization, and marketing, cloud storage, project sharing, and client dashboards. And guess what? There's no one basic plan here. This is the Ultimate Edition. Everything unlocked, everything unlimited. No caps, no credit limits, no feature lockouts. This is the version that saves you money, time, stress, and gives you superhero level control over content, clients, and cash flow. Whether you want to launch your own faceless podcast, sell reels and promo videos to influencers and brands, build websites and stores for clients, offer AI services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook, run a full-blown marketing agency, or just automate your side hustle with smart tools, Ultimate AI puts you in charge. It's the shortcut 99% of people wish they had, and you're looking at it right now. So go ahead, click the button below, grab full access before we flip this to a high monthly fee. Because let's be real, you'll never pay for ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, or InVideo again. You'll never need to hire expensive writers, editors, or designers. You'll never waste time managing 10 plus platforms. You can even start your own podcast empire without mic, cam, or crew. You're backed by a 30-day guarantee. No risk, no catch. Just the most complete, powerful, money-saving AI system online today. This is your all-in-one business weapon. This is Ultimate AI. Click now, unlock it all, and dominate the future before the future dominates you. See you inside where innovation meets imagination.